This is Sarjana Gurung vlog, second back with a new video. So we have got a plan to go Gomtu via India. So first place that we gonna visit today is Kali Mandir at Makrapara. So after that, Bhutan journey plan and in Bhutan in the sense we'll go Gomtu. We just reached here at Bandahat Moragat. So we just get a darshan from here, Kali Mandir ma. Let's move on. So I'll show you guys. So nami sanga ko ko sabani ni ani Makrung and our Kabir Daju. So okay, bangino sa ajo vlog ma anything short, brief.
We're going for a holy visit to a holy place, Makrapara Kali Mandir.
This be our Daju ko scooty, ani amra Daju. It's really shooting. Just kidding. So let's go.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel Sarjana Gurung Vlogs. So till now, I have covered all the best places in and around Songkhla, but the place I'm visiting today is the last and the best place, southwest Gomtu, Bhutan. So it's a Gomtu journey view. So we'll be going from here. Makrapara Mandir ito where I will go. First of all, wait. Rough road. So finally, ito Makrapara Mandir sa. So we'll do like puja ko saman we'll go inside, right? So let's do a few shots. So I'm meeting from here. We'll enter Makrapara Kali Mandir. Ma Kali Temple of Makrapara is a religious center which is located very near to Gomtu Bhutan Gate. It was established in British period, but Mandir was created by a local people in 1950s. In this area, there are almost 15 Hindu temples, but Makrapara Kali Mandir is a very popular Hindu temple. This mandir is surrounded by mountains with greenery scenes. I'm really happy to visit this beautiful temple dedicated to Mother Goddess Kali. You guys can also visit and enjoy the beautiful nature with worship. So guys, we're done with roaming Makrapara Kali Mandir, which is ekdamai राम्रो दिन भयो. We pray garyo and everything went well. So we are like हामी Gomtu जाने. So let's see guys. So finally we have reached to Gomtu gate. Nami Bhutan journey from here. I'm India side masa, so we'll be going to Bhutan. Gomtu Bhutan. So finally we enter Gomtu Bhutan. राम्रो भयो. अब यहाँ Gomtu market explore गरौँ हैन. We are just done with lunch and momos tea and momos. So the next plan is we are like Gomtu town घुम्ने अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ हेर्नु पर्छ हैन. एकदम अलिकति रिल्याक्स भएर गरम तो रहेछ के हैन. भिडियो हेर्दै गर्नु होला. So Gomtuको पार्क होला. ओपन जिम गर्छ. Reserve parking for Moto transfer service. अहिले चाहिँ हामी Gomtuको पार्कमा आइपुगेको छ. I think it's a park only. We just want to roam for a while. You could see mini clock tower too there. And अर्को त छोटन पनि रहेछ, which is very nice. Let's have a few pics and all. So, around me. The town of Gomtu is a home to a hidden private monastery that offers some magnificent view of various industries located in town from top. Gomtu is a border town in southwestern Bhutan near to a border with India. There are two industries at Gomtu, that is, Pendant Cement and Lucky Cement.
And with roaming Gomtu town, we just had around and around. I don't know. Video I think it was good only. So yeah, we will be going back to place. Some say, so there you scooter park. You guys can see there.